In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Wix Studio. Whether you're a designer looking to tweak your site's appearance or a developer aiming for a more tailored look, adding custom CSS can give you full control over your website's design. Wix Studio makes this process seamless, and in just a few steps, you'll be able to customize the styles of your site to better reflect your vision. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to input and save your CSS directly in Wix Studio. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Studio website, open your browser, and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools you'll need. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll see the Login button. Click on it to begin. Now, if you already have a Wix account, go ahead and enter your credentials, your email and password to log in. If you prefer, you can also log in using the Continue with Google option, which is a quick and secure alternative. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix Studio dashboard. From here, you'll have access to all the tools available for building and customizing your site. Next, look for the code icon. It's represented by a symbol that looks like parentheses or angle brackets. You'll usually find this icon in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Once you spot it, click on it to access the coding tools. After you've clicked on the code icon, you'll see an option that says Start Coding. This is your gateway to the development environment where you can input and manage your code. Click on Start Coding and it will open the interface where you can begin working with your site's code. Now that you're in the development environment, you'll need to locate the Add Global CSS button. This will open a window specifically designed for you to input your custom CSS. Adding global CSS allows you to make style adjustments that apply consistently across your entire website, which is a powerful way to ensure uniformity in fonts, colors, layouts, and other design elements. Click on Add Global CSS to proceed. Once the Global CSS window is open, you'll see a code editor where you can directly input or paste your custom CSS. This is where the magic happens. Think about the specific changes you'd like to make to your site. For example, you can use CSS to adjust font sizes, change background colors, alter margins, or even add hover effects to buttons. Write your CSS in this editor, or if you already have a prepared style sheet, you can copy and paste it here. Take your time to review the code and ensure it's written correctly, as errors in CSS can lead to unexpected design issues. As you make changes, it's important to save your work periodically. Wix Studio provides a save function that ensures your edits are not lost in case of interruptions. Simply click on the Save button after making significant changes or additions to your CSS. This way, your progress is secure and your customizations will be reflected on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added custom CSS to your Wix Studio site. By following these steps, you now have the tools to make your website look and feel exactly the way you want. Whether it's small adjustments or a complete redesign, custom CSS gives you the flexibility to bring your creative vision to life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.